Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change your domain name on GoDaddy step by step, whether you bought the wrong domain or just rebranding your website. I have got you covered. First things first, a domain name can't technically be renamed. Once you buy a domain, it's yours as is. So so to change it, you will need to buy a domain, uh, new new domain. Then either redirect traffic from the old one or move your website to the new domain. Start by going to GoDaddy.com and log into your profile. Now use the search bar to find your new domain like xyz.com. Once it's available, click Make It Yours, then click Continue, then proceed to checkout. You can select one option from here like full domain protection. It's recommended, ultimate domain protection, or no domain protection. So choose a one from here and click Continue to cart. Make sure your new domain matches your brand and is easy to remember. Then pay with your PayPal account or click ready to checkout, and you can enter your payment method like a debit or credit card. Once you have bought your new domain, it's time to connect it to your existing website. If you are using GoDaddy Website Builder, go to your GoDaddy dashboard, click on My Product section, and go to Website section from your account, and finally click Marketing. Select your site, go to Settings, then click Domain and enter your domain here. You then click Change Domain from Settings. Choose your new domain from the list and save. Your website will now appear under the new domain. If you want to keep your old domain active and point it to your new one, go to Product section, then Domains. Scroll down and click Manage. Click now DNS section to next to your old domain. Scroll to Forwarding. Click Add Forwarding. Enter your new domain and save. Now visitors going to your old domain will automatically be redirected to the new one. Here are a few final tips to make the transaction smooth. Update your domain in Google Search Console and Analytics. Change your domain in social media bios, email signatures, and business cards. Allow up to 48 hours for full domain propagation. And that's it. You have successfully changed your domain on GoDaddy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more website and domain tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I would love to help out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.